the top 5 foods to help to cleanse your lungs. So if you are prone to lung issues, whether that's a chronic cough, bronchitis, COPD, these 5 foods can really help to keep your lungs clear. Okay, the first food on my list is green onions. Now, they're naturally high in vitamin C. They also contain a natural antihistamine called quercetin. This has a natural anti-inflammatory effect as well, so great for keeping those lungs healthy and clear. Number 2 on my list is lemon. Again, lemon's loaded with natural vitamin C, and lemons are known to have a bit of an expectorant effect. So if you've ever had, freshly squeezed lemon in some hot water when you've been sick and you've noticed that it has forms a bit of a coating on the back of your throat, and then you feel like you need to cough a little bit, well, that is the expectorant effect from the lemons. Okay, number 3 on my list, great for your lungs, is honey. Now, especially if it's a local unpasteurized honey that's harvested close to where you live, this has a natural antibiotic effect. And remember, we're always in connection with nature, and so when we're getting that local honey, it's amazing to help to stimulate your immune system and to keep your lungs clear. Number 4 on my list, another great food is turmeric, and especially the active component, that curcumin, which has antioxidant effects, so great for lung issues, as well as a powerful anti-inflammatory effect. So if you do have chronic inflammatory lung issues, that turmeric and that curcumin, super important. Okay, and number 5 on my list is garlic. We know that garlic, again, is a natural antibiotic, so really great against lung infections. So if you do have chronic lung issues, I want you to incorporate these foods into your daily life so that you will be able to prevent potentially the next lung issue down the road. Now, I do want you to be aware that not all turmeric is created equal in the way that it's harvested, and actually, if you're taking it as a supplement, as it is encapsulated. So you do have to be a little bit careful. I'm going to teach you more in this video over here. Please check it out. Warning, your turmeric may contain this. I'll see you there.